Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make dotted lines on Canva. So the first step is to add the lines. So go to Elements, use the search bar and type in lines. Then from here you should see different line styles that you can choose from. So click or select the one that you wish to use, and then it should be added onto your canvas. So from here you can choose to move it around, you can even choose to duplicate it, it's all up to you. Then when you're done with that, simply select your line. Then from here you should see the option line style, click on it. Then you have different options that you can use as a dotted line. You can have this one, or even this one. So it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs. And then you also have the option of rounding the end points. So you can tap on this toggle to enable it. And you can increase the thickness of the line. So customize it to your liking. You can also choose to change the line color. So you can use any of the photo colors, or you can use a gradient or a solid color. It's all up to you. Then once you've made your choice, simply click on an empty space on your screen and you should have your brand new line. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.